In Olathe Public Schools, we work with our 8th grade students in the fall to share about the different career pathway options available when they go to high school. It may feel a little early to be discussing high school options, but pre-enrollment for high school is finalized early during second semester. So, between now and then, students and parents need to get informed in order to make some decisions and have time to discuss as a family. All of the information being shared is about opening the door for students to prepare them for their future, no matter their chosen career path. There is an age-old question that adults ask little kids: what do you want to be when you grow up? Even as we meet and talk to young adults, we ask them what they want to do after high school. Students start preparing for high school once they begin kindergarten. Career exploration happens all along the way in the classroom. During middle school, counselors and teachers work with students using a tool called Zello. One component of Zello is to help them identify their interest and skill sets. It is designed to help them think about what career areas they might be interested in. Beginning in 8th grade, students will start developing an individual plan of study, or IPS, to help them obtain a suitable vision of their path toward college and career readiness. Part of the IPS is creating a 4-year plan of study for high school, targeting course selections to their chosen career pathway. This plan of study helps students to map out what their 4 years of high school may look like. In Olathe, we utilize Zello to create this 4-year plan. It is a working document. Students will revisit their 4-year plan each year of high school to update it as their interests develop or change, and to make sure that they are on the right track for graduation. As you would expect, students typically attend high school based on where they live. This is called their boundary or home high school. All students in Olathe schools receive an excellent comprehensive high school education. Students will take their core content classes like English, math, science, and social studies. And students will fulfill their elective classes with their career pathway options they decide to explore. Whether that is through an academy, through career and technical education pathways, or through fine and performing arts, these elective classes or career pathway options are what students choose to take that interest them. Students will also have the opportunity to take advanced placement classes, as well as dual credit, also known as College Now classes. Academic support classes are available, as well as e-learning options. And no matter what high school a student attends or what career pathway they might be focused on, all students are encouraged to participate in athletics and activities at the high school they are attending. This is a great way to stay connected and get involved. When students go to high school, they will be faced with a lot of options, from different sports and activities, classes they are required to take, and classes that they want to take. In Olathe, we like to promote choice by providing a variety of options to choose from. This graphic is one you may have seen displayed in our middle and high school buildings or on the district website. It displays all the choices in Olathe a student is able to explore in a variety of different career pathways. No matter what school a student goes to, there are lots of options available to choose from that will meet their future career goals. The options can be classified in 3 broad categories. In the next few slides, we are going to briefly explain these. Our district offers 9 career and technical education, or CTE, pathways available at all 5 schools. Students can begin taking CTE pathway courses starting in 9th grade and continue all the way through 12th grade. There is no application process for students to complete in these pathways. They simply elect to take courses when they fit in their schedule. Career and technical education pathways allow students to take a sequence of courses with a specific career focus. CTE courses prepare students for future careers by introducing them to workplace competencies and make academic content accessible through hands-on, project-based work. Students with an interest in one of these pathways can work with their school counselor and CTE pathway teachers to know which classes to take in each of the pathway options. Performing and visual arts courses are also available at all 5 comprehensive high schools. If students have a passion or interest in singing, playing instruments, acting, directing, or public speaking, Olathe has a wide variety of performing arts courses. Through their involvement in band, choir, orchestra, theater, debate, and forensics, students can build self-confidence, be a part of a team, and make memories that will last a lifetime. Students interested in exploring their creative side and learning more about self-expression will want to check out the visual arts courses. Drawing, painting, ceramics, sculpture, and digital photography classes engage students in projects where they develop technical skills and enhance their creativity. Olathe Public Schools has 15 different 21st century academies across the 5 high schools. There are 3 academies at Olathe East, 5 at Olathe North, 2 at Olathe Northwest, 3 at Olathe South, and 2 at Olathe West. Academies are a 9th through 12th grade career pathway option with specific courses taken each year that utilize innovative instruction and hands-on opportunities. There is an application process for students that have an interest in an academy. Students apply during the fall of their 8th grade year. If selected, students attend the high school where that academy is located, regardless of where you live. Important dates regarding the Academy application window and deadline can be found on the Academy website under the application page. Additionally, there are video links which will help guide you through the process. Olathe Advanced Technical Center programs are for juniors and seniors and focus on today's high-demand career fields. Students attend their home high school for part of the day and then take program courses at OATC for the other part of the day. There is no transfer required to participate in these programs. There are a total of 9 OATC programs to choose from, as you see listed here. Students must complete an application for acceptance into all OATC programs. This happens in the fall of the student's sophomore year. Student applicants need to have good attendance, good behavior, and be on track to graduate in order to qualify. Just to recap, Olathe's high school students have great career pathway options, 21st century academies at select high school locations, a variety of CTE pathways, visual arts, and performing arts options at all 5 high school locations, and 2-year OATC programs for juniors and seniors. All of our career pathways are designed for students to engage in them based on their interest and passion, and centered around career exploration. Students learn using project-based learning, both in and out of the classroom, to develop their technical skills using industry-standard equipment. Students participate in leadership groups and work-based learning experiences like internships, shadowships, and client-connected projects. Students develop a great sense of community in their career pathway, their high school, and their activities and athletic groups. Career pathway exploration provides a great educational start and can lead to a variety of post-secondary and career opportunities. Transportation is available. Please refer to the District Transportation website for more information. From the Olathe District website at olatheschools.org, you will see a bus info popular link icon, which will take you to the landing page for the district transportation information. Also on the district website, you will find a Career Pathways popular link icon, which will take you to the landing page for all of our career pathway options. Once on this site, you will see that there are links on the left-hand side to each of the different options that we've talked about here, where you can find more information. Scrolling down on this main site, you will see that there is also a link to a Career Pathways options, which will allow you and your child to explore each of these in a little bit more detail. As you scroll through the website, you'll see that there is a message from our superintendent. There's information talking about how the site is designed. And then there are button links that you can click on to learn more about each of the different options. When you get to those pages, you will see that there are videos representing each of the different options available, a blurb about who we are, what those options are available as transfer or non-transfer, a sample plan of study of the coursework that you will take as a student engaged in that program, as well as some pictures. A great way to learn about the Academies and OATC programs is to attend the open house events. The dates for all of these are listed on the applicable websites. The Olathe District Career Pathways team is available to answer any questions. Please contact Doug Capeller for any 21st Century Academy questions, Barbara Gonzalez for any comprehensive CTE pathway questions, Amy Stoles for OATC program questions, and Martha Gable for any fine arts questions. We hope you have learned a little bit more about all of the different career pathway options for students to explore while they attend Olathe Public High Schools.